look at the battery. Oh my God, look at the corrosion. 1,000,000 years later. Look at that. That looks better, right? Look at that. Got it all cleaned up. Ready to go. Okay, so your Lexus, if you have a Lexus RX or any other Lexus from 2006 and up, this is basically any car, but we're looking at a 15 model here. And as you can tell, this one's been in an accident. The front collision. You can tell the differential here. The distance, but it runs good. Everything's smooth on this car. But one thing I want to show you is this. All right, this is a 4-year-old car, and look at the battery. Okay, as you can see, the battery needs some cleaning. Look at that. That's not healthy for any vehicle, especially a Lexus. Okay, 1,000,000 years later. Look at that. That looks better, right? Look at that. Got it all cleaned up. Ready to go. So remember, take care of your car. Booyah. Or booyah. Look at the corrosion, right? This is why your car is giving you issues. 1. 2, if you get your battery replaced and it's still giving you issues, all right, fuel, air filter, intake, and fuel injection. This is a secret. Any vehicle, take this apart right there. Take this off, take the intake off, clean it in there with DW WD-40. Booyah, your car will run like a charm. But first off, why are you driving a beat up car that doesn't start? You know what I mean? Your lady ain't gonna respect you. Listen, guys, I know this. My lady still don't respect me, but hey. Okay, we're done. Check that out. Clean the engine, the battery, all ready to go. Look at that. Yeah, look at that beauty. That's how you clean it. That's how you clean it. Battery looks new. Of course, I'm gonna have to replace it shortly, one of these days, but for now, we're good. Let's see how it starts. Hey. Let's go, beauty. Listen to it. Oh, that sounds delicious. Awesome.